Hello again, everybody. This is after the total teardown of the Mac. I'd like to show you the dust collected inside the casing. As you can see, this is all dust. The cooling radiator of the Mac, this is where the fan blows in. You can see quite a bit of dust in there. All that will need to be cleaned out. There is dust on the intake of the fan that cools down the hard drive. There is a fan. You can see there's quite a bit of dust inside there. Now, this is not a totally plugged up computer. I've seen much worse, but as you can see, that dust does put brakes on performance of any computer, and Slim Mac is no exception. This computer is overheating, and I think it's due to dust. There may be some other factors that I don't know yet. Thank you.